Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT King Kong X, and let me share with you how to allow automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom again and keep tapping on the build number until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. If you want to learn more about the developer options, simply check our tutorial about it. So now we can go back to the general settings and enter the system, enter developer options, which we've just activated, and now scroll down a little bit to find this option, automatic system updates. As you can see, in my case this option is turned on. However, if you've got it turned off, just like that, all you have to do is to tap on the switcher, and from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. So you do not have to manually update your device. However, remember about restarting it from time to time, so it will have a chance to download and apply the updates. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on this switcher again, just like that. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.